Hello lovely friends, welcome back to Juiciest Kitchen. This is how I bake my chicken to have it moist and tender inside whilst it is still crispy on the outside. And I even make stock out of it. Thank you so much for liking, watching and subscribing to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you would consider to join us by subscribing. Now let's get into it. I have here some chicken thighs which I have cleaned them nicely. So I'll go ahead and put all my ingredients into a blender, including some fine herbs that are going to make this chicken so delicious. Fennel seeds, one of my favorites. It has such a nice aroma. If you haven't used this before, next time you see it in the supermarket, please get one and try it for yourself. As soon as you open its container, you will know exactly what I mean. It simply smells lovely and it adds amazing flavors to chicken. A little bit goes a long way, but in the absence of this, anise seeds and thyme or rosemary does the job perfectly. Now we're going to coat our chicken well with our spice blend, but before that I'm going to add some salt and chicken seasoning powder. At the moment I'm stuck on this one. It's very nice. I'm going to show you the packaging soon. I don't have gloves at the moment, but because of the hot chilies, I have just grabbed some food bags. So here I am, digging into the chicken and coating it well to every corner, making sure they really go in so it can marinate nicely. So this is what I do. If I'm not pressed for time, I normally leave this overnight, but today I need this chicken for dinner. So I'm going to be marinating it for about 3 to 4 hours. And after 4 hours, this is how it is. It's ready to be baked. So I'm just going to place them on my baking tray. And now I'm going to be sharing with you how I do this, how I bake this to make sure that I collect some stock from it. So sometimes when you want to make jollof rice or fried rice and you don't necessarily want to fry your chicken, but because of stock sometimes we are compelled to boil it first. But if you place kitchen foil on your chicken and wrap it in well, for the first 30 minutes you can collect such a good amount of stock from it. In all, it takes about 45 minutes to bake at gas mark 6. So after 30 minutes, I've just had a quick check. The chicken has been cooking in its juice wrapped in foil for that 30 minutes without drying up, and all the flavors are also trapped in for that 30 minutes with no chance of escaping. To have it crispy on the outside, I add a drizzle of the chicken oil onto the skin. It helps to also give it such a nice golden color. And look at all that stock we've been able to collect. I'll just get rid of all the excess oil before I use the stock. It's been like 10 minutes since we put it back in the oven and it has already browned up nicely. And if you are like me, I would like to flip them over so the bottom part also browns up. Then it goes back for 5 more minutes. Nice and golden, perfectly baked. And it's also full on flavor. It tastes amazingly good too. Wait until you see how moist and tender it is inside. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like on the page and subscribe to my channel. Look at that, it's looking so delicious. The knife just sliced through gracefully, soft, tender and moist, yet the outside is crispy. I cannot wait to dig into this. And with all that spices we used to marinate the chicken, It simply smells lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.